So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are diving deep into one of the most powerful features in SFMC, that is behavioral triggers, journey builder with behavioral triggers. If you are ever wanted your marketing campaigns to respond automatically to customer behaviors, this is where the magic happens. So first, what is the behavioral trigger? So journey builder is a drag and drop automation tools that allow you to create personalized customer driven journeys, right? So it's not just about sending emails, it's about like sending the right message at the right time based on what your customer actually does. But now behavioral trigger take that to the next level. So they lets you trigger automated journeys when a customer platforms performs a specific action like opening an email, click a product link, abandoning a cart, submitting a form, or even visiting a specific web page. Basically, the system listens for real-time events and responds instantly. So real time example, imagine you are working for a hospital. A patient books an appointment online. This action becomes the behavioral trigger. For their journeys, builder can automatically send a confirmation email instantly, send a reminder SMS one day before the appointment, follow up with a satisfaction survey after the visit. If the patient does not show up, sends a reschedule reminder. All that happens automatically without you manually sending a single message. That is the real power of behavioral trigger. Real time personalized engagement, everything. Okay. So here is the some features and possibilities of behavioral trigger. So for resources, behavioral trigger is like clicks, form submission or purchases, data extension entries, API events or cloud pages. Activities is like events, email send, SMS or push notifications. So mobile studio, wait activities. Decision is based on use behaviors, update contact data, goal and exist. These are like behavioral setup is basically behavioral trigger setup is like integrate with integration studio or event API to capture real-time action. You can trigger journeys based on websites activity, email engagement or custom events. So it's best practices for don't overcomplicate journeys, like keep them focused on one goal, always test triggers with sample data before going live, use naming convention for easy maintenance, combine behavioral trigger with data filters to target only active customers, monitor result in journey analytics to improve future journeys. So that is the complete overview of journey builder with behavioral triggers in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It's all about turning customers action into personalized automated engagement in real time. So if you found this video helpful, then follow for more video. Thank you so much.